Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to localize a special number which is called build number, and let me open more status, maybe it is here. Let's scroll down, and as you can see, the build number is at the very bottom. So now keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and go back to the general list of the settings to enter the system. It should be right above the About Phone. Now enter developer options, and as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can simulate the color space, we can manage this option, we can change window animation scale. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall, because we've got Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. All you have to do is to tap on the switcher, and it will be immediately activated and applied. You can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here, simply tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, just tap on this switcher at the top, which is pinned to the top of the list, actually, to the top of the screen. Tap on it, and the developer options will be disabled. Most of the options are inactive, and after getting back, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.